Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am unboxing Peaches and Petals for February. So if you're not familiar with Peaches and Petals, it's a monthly women's lifestyle box. Each box is only $19.99. They're fun and quirky assortments of items. They're usually themed. They're cute. This is the February, so I am late. Yes, I am. Wouldn't be me if it wasn't. And here's what we see when we open it up. They're pretty big boxes, always full of stuff. So is that love in the air? Nah, it's just the smell of chocolate and treats. Whether you spend the month of love with your significant other or favorite galentine, it's always nice to express how much people mean to you. This month, make memories while creating a yummy Valentine's Day treat. And then there is a candy heart bark. I'm gonna sneeze. Didn't do anything. Recipe in there, which is kind of cool, right? All right, so our first item here is from the land. These are crepes, like snacks. These are from Greece. Oh my gosh, that's funny. My daughter is going to a Girl Scout event, and they're doing, like, it's called World Thinking Day. If there are any Girl Scout moms or former Girl Scouts, all the girls, the different troops, pick a country, and then all the younger kids, and then the older girls, once they're done, go around to each little booth, and they get like a food, and they get like, they learn a little bit about the culture from each of these countries. And she's doing Greece, so maybe I'll send these with her. I'll have to go take my pictures like really quick. All right, then we have the Healing Garden. Why do I know this name? I don't know where I know that name from. I've received products from them. This is a white lavender Epsom salt scrub, shea butter and vitamin E, no dyes, phthalates, or parabens. I want to smell it, but it's taped shut. I don't care. I'm going to open it right now. I love these scrubs. If I ever get it. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it smells really nice. It has like a bright scent. That's nice, actually. I really like that. That's cool. I like that a lot. Alright, so there's that. This is from the Healing Garden. Alright, next we have a little picture frame. This is cute. Good friends don't let you do stupid things alone. I don't have any pictures this size to put in it, so I'm going to have to get one. We always get little cute things from them like this. Mine has this blue stuff on it. Uh-oh, what's that? I'm gonna have to get that off. See if it comes off. So this is from, it's New View Gifts and Accessories. There's that. All right. And then finally there's this. What is this? No way. Oh my goodness. Look! Oh my goodness. So this is like a little, I can actually really use this. Ooh, it's like, it looks like a succulent or a little, like some sort of a potted plant holder. Oh, I'm excited. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, hold on here. Oh, it's not built yet, so I need to build it. But it's like gold and white. I have little air plants too that this will be like perfect. Oh, that's so cool. I'm excited for that. Ooh, yay. So that's everything that I received in my February Peaches and Petals. This is a really good one. You got the cookies, the scrub, which I'm excited to use, and then this vase. The vases, I like this. This is my favorite item. And the frame, which is really cool. 20 bucks, can't beat that. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that. I'll also link to Peaches and Petals below with my affiliate code. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!